Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Thursday the 15th of October. So what we've got in store today, before I look at the technicals, we've already had the employment data for Australia, which was better than expected, 6.9% unemployed versus 7, and less unemployed overall. Now, aside of that, what you've got this morning, the EU Economic Summit, which is due to be talking about Brexit, which is going on for today and I believe tomorrow. So we'll see. I think it's just ping pong here at the moment, backwards and forwards on that. We'll see if anything significant comes out of it. It just may be another date is set. From that else, we've got US Philly Manufacturing Index, unemployment claims later. We've got Lagarde speaking at 5 p.m. But I think it'll kick around Brexit mostly. Be kicking that one down the road again. So that's that then for today. Technically, well, someone said Groundhog Day yesterday. It certainly is a little bit Groundhog Day. Yesterday we had a doji bar stick in there. We are edging away downhill a little bit at the moment. It has got chance. I mean, the shape of this looks like further downside potential. Let's just looking here. I was looking yesterday. I've still got a target in of 1730. For that, we may actually see that broken and a move down towards that S1. But certainly those bodies look like they've got a better chance of getting hit lows now. So the euro looking like it's still got some further downside there. The pound is the great unknown here, and it proved it yesterday. It sold off quite strongly and then turned on a dime basically. Turned it just after 8 o'clock and off it flew. There's sort of news that the UK wouldn't walk away from talks. Well, we'll see how that progresses today, tomorrow. For now though, it's selling off again, and I mean, doesn't look particularly good at this stage, but possibly got more downside on the pound, but anything can happen there and it can just switch around again. So I'm probably keeping quite clear from the pound at the moment. The yen tight range yesterday actually moved down and actually consolidated here as risk off and seeing money running in, but this morning, well, it's retraced this part of this move, but could see a break of these lows and another push down towards the movement. But you're talking 20 pip moves, 30 pip moves here, not very much in a daily basis, so very small moves, but the cross pairs may work with them better at times. It's just been a bit more consistent. Aussie dollar, regardless of the decent news, it's selling off here, and we're seeing it heading back down towards the lows from yesterday already. It's not far off those lows. Sorry, last week's lows, beg your pardon. Lower high confirmed in yesterday and looking soft at this stage. So it does at this stage look like the dollar's really catching the bid, and a lot of these markets just running off. Expected some sort of breakdown yesterday. Well, pretty much happened, but it was late on when it really kicked in. It's 5 o'clock. It had held pretty well through most of the day, but I keep on saying the lower highs, lower lows. You look at the 4-hourly picture of these markets, and well, they do look soft at the moment. That's the Aussie. New Zealand dollar was the strongest yesterday. Just a quick look through from a 4-hourly potential, and there you go. It just managed to wipe out some stops above the prior highs there, take out those, but after that it just rolled again, and it's again looking pretty soft. There you go. It just went up, took out some of those stops. At the moment, lower highs coming through. Retail traders may have this right now. There's quite a few short yesterday pumping into that short movement. We'll see. It's still looking like there's further downside here. Okay, so pretty much already moved a lot of these markets. I mean, it's a case of patience, retracements, etc., to get into some of them. S&Ps, well, they've not managed to hold on. Let's just have a look from a daily point of view. You just saw a continuation yesterday of that, what was almost a bearish harami rolling over there. Weekly pivot could well be in tune. We could see something like this starting to continue. I mean, but the catalyst for it is the UK stimulus talks have been they're in deadlock again, and of course the COVID numbers are going up just about everywhere, so there is concern which will have knock-on effects, and it's certainly showing here. This, as I say, it seems to risk off at the moment, and we're seeing this continuation. Other markets where it's affecting or has been affecting has been oil, and here we go. So it's just dropping over again today. Actually, yesterday managed up pretty well. From where it was, it managed back into those highs of not short of 41.50. Again, a later surge, but again we're seeing price coming off here, maybe to the mid moving averages there, the 20, 21, 34 sort of zone, but can't be a buyer quite yet. Okay, that's pretty much it for me. I wish you a great day, and I'll speak to you in the morning. Bye for now.